Hello everyone and welcome back. Now let's get to this Beetlejuice look. First I'm gonna go with my P. Louise Pro Base in blank canvas, and I'm just gonna tap that all over the eyelid. Using a flat brush is the best tool when applying the concealer. Then I'm just gonna buff that out. Now I'm gonna go in with a different base by P. Louise, and it's in the shade White, and I'm just gonna tap that on the middle to make it the lightest. And of course I'm gonna buff that out again. Now I'm gonna go in with a green eyeshadow in the Vida palette by Mel Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna tap that all over the eyelid. Then I'm just gonna blend that all out. Right here I'm using a white shade on the brow bone. Then I'm going to use Neon Glow UV body paint on my eyes, and I'm just taking a sponge and I took out pieces of it to make it really splotchy, and I'm just tapping that right in there. So far this is how it should look, and we are going to just let that dry up. Then I'm going with Mehron liquid makeup and the shade White and use that as eyeliner. Just basically follow the structure of your eye to really make that nice winged eyeliner. Also make the line kind of thickish so we can add in the black stripes later. This is how it should look like. Then I'm going with Inglot AMC eyeliner, and I'm just gonna make the stripes with a very thin brush. This part, it was my intention to make it a little bit messy because, I mean, come on, it's Beetlejuice, he's not all that clean. This should be the result. Then I'm just going back with that green UV paint again over the eyeliner. And of course we are gonna clean that up using the P. Louise Pro Base, and then I'm just gonna buff that out. I mixed these two UV paints to make the shade purple, and I'm just gonna light up my eyes with that. Okay, time for the face. Now I'm going in with my Milk Hydro Primer, and I'm just gonna rub that all over my face. Next, I'm going with my DYG liquid highlighter in the shade Champagne, and I'm just gonna paste that all over. Time for concealer. I'm using the one by Morphe, and I'm just gonna place that on my nose, under my eyes, and chin, and blend that out with a beauty blender. Now I'm going with Fenty foundation, and I'm going to use Maybelline Baby Fresh and place that all over my face and blend it out with a beauty blender. The reason why I mixed these two together is just to keep my face very hydrated and fresh. Then I'm going to use the KVD setting powder and set under my eyes and chin. Time for contouring. Now I'm going to use the shade Donut in the Morphe palette and just place that under my cheeks, my jawline, and chin. Then I'm going to cut that contour and remove the rest of that setting powder. Now I'm going with Black Moon Cosmetics highlighters in Glowworm and Centipede. First, I'm going with Centipede and place that under my cheeks, my nose and chin, and Cupid's bow. Now I'm going with Glowworm and place that on my eyes, my cheeks, nose, and chin. Wipe off any setting powder. Then I'm going with Genesis by Milk Cosmetics and place that on my cheeks. Then I'm going with Black Moon Cosmetics Abyss liquid lipstick and place that in the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with the same shade and place that on my lips. Next is lashes, and I'm going to use the ones by Likely Lashes and place that on my eyes. This style is called Blades. And finally, setting spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over. Here's a closer look of the makeup and with also a UV light. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, my fellow oddities.